Good morning, standard 10 students from Bosco Academy, Microseconds. Today I am going to solve some more questions from height and distance. 8 and some typical questions. So first, question number 15 of 22B. 22B, question number 15. 8. This question was once in the board examination. What is this? This question, statement of this question is from the top of a hill, the angle of depression of 2 consecutive kilometers at stones due east are found to be 30 degree and 45 degree. Find the distance of the two stones from the foot of the hill. Suppose this is hill. At this 2 point we have taken the stones, position of the stones, and angle of depressions. So angle of depression from here, this angle, and this angle. These 2 points A, B, C, this is 90, D. So angle given 30 degree and 45 degree. So this will be 30 degree. And this will be 45 degree. So a stone's position or the position of the stone is A and B, and distance given 2 consecutive kilometer stones. Means the distance between these two stones is given 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer we can write 1000 meters. Now from this point, this is the foot of the hill. From here we have to find the distance of B as well as the distance of A. Clear? Once again, from the foot of the hill, from C we have to find the distance of the B, and from the foot C we have to find the distance A. So now 2 right angle triangle, 1 triangle DCB, tan 45, DC by BC, tan 45 1 means DC by BC. So DC is equal to BC. Let both equal to X, say. So this is X, this is also X. Now in triangle DCA, tan 30 degree is equal to DC by CB plus 1000. Because this distance is 1000 given. So tan 30 1 by root 3. DC we have taken X. BC also X. 1000. Now you have to solve these equations. After solving you will get the value of X. And that this value of X is distance from the bottom of the hill to the beam. One stone distance from foot we have after getting the value of X. After that, another distance we have to add the 1000 to X. So X plus 1000 will be distance of AC and X will be the distance of BC. So first of all you have to solve this equation and to find the value of X. Is it clear? Now exercise 22C. See the first second question. What is given? Figure is given. Yeah. This is A, D, C, B. This side given 30 meter, and this side and this side are given equal. Right? Means BC and AC are given equal sides. Then what you have to find? We have to find AD we have to find. And angle mentioned, this is given 48 degree. Right? This angle is not given, but BC and AC are given equal. From D we will find the value. Since this say BCA is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Their opposite angles are equal. Means this angle and this angle will be equal. What is the measure of this angle? So first of all you find out the third angle. What is the value of this third angle? So this angle is 48. So this angle will be 180 minus 48. What value? 180 minus 48? 132. 132 divided into 2 parts. What value? 66. 66. 8. Now this is given 30. This angle is given 66. Find out AD. Which formula you will use? In triangle ADB. Since we have to find AD, AB given. So when we take this angle, then AD is perpendicular and AB is hypotenuse. The perpendicular hypotenuse coming in which triangle? Which trigonometric value? Sine. So we will take sine 66 degree is equal to AD by AB. Now we will see from the table what is the value of sine 66 degree. Sine 66 sine 66 value given 0.9135. 0.9135. AD we have to find. AB given 30. So AD is equal to 30 into 0.9135 meter. This is our answer. 8. Question number 4. This diagram given. AB, this given angle 30 degree. This is 5 meter. This is 6 meter. This is given 47 degree. Then you have to find the length of AB. Length of AB we have to find. So how to find the length of AB? First, in this triangle, this name is not given, right here, see? Here D, here E. In this triangle, this is 90, this is 90. So when we take this angle, then this is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. The perpendicular and hypotenuse comes in which trigonometric value? Sine. So sine 47 degree is equal to B by C. Now see the value of sine 47 from the table. What value given? Sine 47 0.7314. 0.7314. BE not given, we have to find. CE given, find. So we will, from here we can find out the value of B. B is equal to 0.7314 into 5. Now this triangle, in triangle ADAE, this given 30. So when we take this angle, then this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse, this is base. We have to find the base. The base and hypotenuse coming in with trigonometric value, sine. So cos. So we will take cos 30 degree is equal to AE by D. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. AE we have to find D6. So from here A is equal to 3 root 3. Now actually we have to find AB. So AB is equal to, we can write AE plus EB. AE we have 3 root 3. EB we have 0.7314 into 5. Add this value, that will be your final answer. And this type of question, generally in question mention, write the answer correct to 2 or 3 decimal places. So in that case you have to put the value of root 3. What is the value of root 3? 1.732. So 3 into 1.732 plus this value added, then write the final answer correct to the 2 or 3 decimal place what is given in the question. Thank you very much. Some more question I will solve next day.